Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you this brown and orange fall eye look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to first start out by priming my eyelids with my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the color C11. And I'm just going to prime my eyelids. Now going into my Box of Crayons palette, I'm going to take the shade Brown. And I'm just going to put this all over both of my eyelids. Now that I have the desired amount of intensity with this brown color, I'm going to be taking the star of the show, and that's my UV Stargazer eyeliner in neon orange. And I'm just going to do the halfway line from inner corner to halfway of the eyelid. Really get that fall pop of color right there. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start by taking my Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil in the color 912 Charcoal. And we're just going to smoke out the lower lash line with this eyeliner pencil. Now to really brighten up the look, I'm going to be taking my Hard Candy Brightening Sheer Envy Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray my Morphe M167 brush. And then going into the Box of Crayons palette, I'll be taking the shimmery orange color. And I'm just going to lightly dust this over the brown eyeliner on the lower lash line. Really get that pop of color going. looking at a finished look, I'm just going to take my Essence False Lashes Mascara, Extreme Volume and Curl. I'm just going to finish by putting some mascara on my lashes. And yeah, that completes today's fall eye look. I might be coming up with some more fall eye looks for the season, so if you want to see some more looks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.